Do you spend hours scrolling Instagram, YouTube, or LinkedIn? What if I told you that you could turn that time into money from your home using just your phone or laptop? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to become a social media manager in 2025, even if you have zero experience. Let's dive in. That's it. What is a social media manager? A social media manager helps businesses grow online by managing their social media accounts. This means creating content, writing captions, designing posts, replying to messages, and tracking performance. From small startups to big brands and influencers, everyone needs a social media manager today, and that's where you come in. So, skills you need. Here's the good news. You don't need a fancy degree, but you do need a few basic skills. Writing engaging captions, designing simple graphics using Canva, using tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule posts, knowing what's trending on social media, and communicating clearly with clients. Don't worry. You can learn all of this online for free. How to get started. Here's a simple step-by-step plan. Step 1. Start your own social media page. Use it to post content and build a sample portfolio. Step 2. Offer your service for free to one or two local businesses or creators. In return, ask for a testimonial. Step 3. Start applying on Fiverr, Upwork, or message people directly on Instagram and LinkedIn. You'll get better with every project. How much can you earn? Most beginners start by charging us 10,000 to our 20,000 per month per client. With just 3 clients, that's around our $50,000 a month working from home. And as you gain experience, you can offer higher end services like ads, analytics, and strategy. Some people even build full-time agencies or hire a team. Free resources to learn. If you're ready to learn, here are some free resources I recommend. HubSpot's free social media certification, YouTube channels like Neil Patel and Vanessa Lau, free or low-cost courses on Udemy or Coursera. The more you learn, the more you can earn. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to work online in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.